Gates open, they're up and racing. Antoine Dugo draws for your lead. Di Masalang to take second. Racing in third is Gandang Pinay, Elusive Wind. Then moving a party outside is Kitty West. Running by the rail, Seeds of Wisdom and Immaculate is the early trailer. As they round to the 3/4 mile distance, Antoine Dugo leading the field by half length, then running on the outside, Elusive Wind. Di Masalang drops back in third and catching the second spot. Kitty West now racing in fourth, down in fifth, Gandang Pinay, followed now by entry number 6, and that's Immaculate. Trailing the group is Seeds of Wisdom. About to pass the half mile, Antoine goes still leading the field, getting closer now on the outside is Di Masalang. Kitty West remains in third as they race to the last 600. We have Antoine Diego still leading the field. Di Masalang throwing a challenge on the outside. Kitty West getting closer in third. Gandang Pinay is by the rail. Immaculate is on the outside as the action kicks to the last 450. Di Masalang now leading the field. Kitty West moving up to take second, and by the rail, Gandang Pinay, Immaculate. With the last 200 meters more to run, we have the favorite, Di Masalang, by about 3 lengths over Kitty West. With 75 meters more to run, Di Masalang winning race number 2, the horse of Mr. Hermes Guerra. Second, Kitty West, Gandang Pinay, Antoine Dugo, Immaculate, Elusive Wind, and Seeds of Wisdom comes in last.
All right.